What's up, everybody? It's 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I got West 2011 2500 back in the shop today. A good old time repeat customer. This monster of a vehicle. It's definitely a work truck, tow pig, whatever you want to call it. But he did need a new radio because you know what? This little setup right here, along with this super amazing Bluetooth streaming device, just wasn't cutting it anymore for him. So what we've got now is the Sony AX6000, and I specifically use this radio because he said he did not want a floating tablet screen. And we just got this little 7-inch guy that fits right in the dash and looks fairly OEM. As you can see, it immediately connects to my phone, and it is a wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay device. So voila, look at that. It's just all coming up immediately, and this is connected to my phone, which I'm currently recording the video on too, so that's pretty cool. Android Auto is what you would expect Android Auto to be. It does all of the things, and there you go. I don't know if he actually cares about where, like, you know, EV charging stations are, but the fact that you can do that kind of stuff is pretty cool. Other than Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, we do have a USB-C plug down here that's just kind of hanging out as per his request. You can use a thumb drive and plug in media content into that thing, so you can have hard drive based movies or music or anything like that. The AX6000 also allows for custom wallpaper designs, so you see this awesome Dodge Ram graphic that I put on this background for him. Obviously, we've got radio. Ta-da! It's radio. We are using the Maestro piece on this for the integration, so I do have gauges, which is nice. I guess I'll start the car so you can see that stuff. All right, so now that the engine is running, I'll go to the first screen. That's the RPM, and you can see, like, as I rev it, it revs up. We also have this other screen, which is the danger zone, so we've got 0 to 60 and cool stuff like that. Also, on the CAN bus line, we have the vehicle information, so I can see that the driver's door is open right now. If I close that, it goes away. We've got tire pressure. If we have any check engine lights, he's going to be able to read that through there, and battery voltage. Also installed a backup camera on this bad boy, so if I go into reverse here, then you'll see it automatically comes up on the screen. This is not a night vision backup camera on this one, so I did replace his reverse lights, the incandescents. Those are now LEDs, so he's gonna have a little bit of nighttime visibility. And other than that, that's pretty much the basics of this radio. It's a pretty good radio, especially for that price point. Highly recommended, but mostly it's just gonna meet all of his requirements for his setup. Pricing and product information for this particular build will be in the video description, so if you have any questions or comments about that, be sure and check that out. All build requests must be submitted via the form on the website. That link will also be in the video description. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. See ya!